Question 10. Key words in the question include contribution of livestock to the environment, includes possibly overlooked aspects, related to enrichment of the soil. Scanning to paragraph E, we have the stomachs of cows, that is livestock, and the fertilising role of manure, which relates to the enrichment of the soil. The author writes, "Do not forget," which implies that it is a forgotten or possibly overlooked aspect of soil enrichment. The answer is A. Question 11. Key words in the questions are fairly, less critical of farming systems, involve non-standard feeding methods. Scanning to paragraph E, we have fairly is equally harsh, which is the opposite of less critical, and factory farming related to not giving cows and pigs traditional food, that is, non-standard types of food. The author would not agree that fairly is less critical, so the answer is D. Question 12. The key words here are fairly, maintain position, economic and environmental drawbacks, long period. Staying in paragraph E, because the information is not in paragraph F, we know that fairly has strong opinions, but we don't know about the economic drawbacks, and we don't know if he has maintained his position over a long period. Also, the writer has not shown whether he would agree or not, so the question is no opinion. Question 13. Key words in the question are ethical production methods, possible, livestock, again acceptable part of society. Scanning to paragraph F, the first sentence relates to this question. With eating meat from this ethical perspective, this actually refers back to the ideas in the previous paragraph about better farming methods for livestock. It relates to ethical production methods in the question. The text then states that it could imply the reintegration of farm animals in our society, which has a similar meaning to it is possible that livestock become an acceptable part of society. The answer is thus A, agree. Question 14. Key words in the question are less developed countries, benefit from livestock, ways beyond just meat production. The answer can be found in the last sentence of paragraph F. Less developed countries equals poor countries. Benefit from livestock that extend beyond just meat production. The role of livestock as a form of capital and transport and energy. So the answer is A, agree. Question 15. The key words in the question we're looking for are vegetarians and other groups, simple approach, ethics of meat eating, compromising, solution. The answer can be found in the third sentence of paragraph G, starting, yet the premise of the vision. It then names vegetarians and other groups, followed by all or nothing, which means not compromising in any way. And then there is a reference to simple. Because the text says their approach is the opposite of all or nothing, the answer is D, disagree. Question 16. Key words are farm animals, pigs, cows, sheep, chickens. Treated equal way, involved in agriculture. The relevant part of the text is the wealth of relationships we have with animals like pigs, cows, sheep and chickens. However, we don't know whether the writer thinks each animal is treated the same as the others. So the answer is NO, no opinion. Question 17. Key words are Fairlie's and Gandhi's approaches, livestock management, similar focus. The text refers to many forms of animal management styles, one exemplified by Fairlie and another by Mahatma Gandhi. So the answer is D, disagree.